Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on home improvement equipments of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are. Product 1: Ravin 45 Pack. The Ravin 45 pack of 5-inch cabinet pulls offers a convenient and stylish solution for updating kitchen cabinets or drawers. Made from durable matte black stainless steel, these cabinet pulls boast both durability and a sleek aesthetic. With a length of 5 inches and a 3-inch hole center, they provide ample space for comfortable gripping and easy access. This pack includes 45 cabinet pulls, making it ideal for larger projects or multiple installations. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or simply looking to refresh your cabinetry, the Ravin 45 pack offers plenty of options to suit your needs. These cabinet pulls are not only functional, but also add a touch of modern sophistication to any space. Their matte black finish lends a contemporary look that can complement a variety of kitchen styles, from minimalist. Product 2: Product Name Homemade Mop and Broom Holder. The Homemade Mop and Broom Holder is a versatile garage storage system designed to efficiently organize your cleaning tools and garden implements. With 5 slots and 6 hooks, it offers ample space to store up to 11 tools, accommodating various sizes and shapes. Each slot has a capacity of 7.5 pounds, ensuring sturdy support for your items. This holder is not just limited to the garage, it's also suitable for use in the home, kitchen, closet, or laundry room, providing flexible storage solutions wherever needed. Its off-white color adds a clean and neutral aesthetic to any space. With its sturdy construction and ample storage capacity, the Homemade Mop and Broom Holder offers a convenient and space-saving solution for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. Product 3: Product Name Saker Contour Gauge. The Saker Contour Gauge is a versatile tool designed to accurately replicate irregular shapes for various applications, such as woodworking, welding, and more. With a 10-inch locking mechanism, this contour gauge allows users to precisely copy intricate contours and profiles with ease. Any of its notable features is its adjustable locking mechanism, which enables users to secure the gauge in place once the desired shape has been traced. This ensures that the contour remains unchanged during the transfer process, resulting in precise and consistent replication. The tool is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering a convenient solution for tasks that require replicating irregular shapes. Whether it's duplicating intricate woodworking designs or tracing complex welding patterns, the Saker Contour Gauge provides an efficient and accurate way to transfer shapes with minimal effort. Moreover, it serves as Product 4: Holcomb Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Holcomb Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to effectively clean dryer vents and prevent potential hazards associated with lint buildup. This kit includes several essential components such as a vacuum hose attachment brush, lint remover, and a specialized dryer vent vacuum hose, all packaged in a vibrant blue color. The vacuum hose attachment brush allows users to access and clean hard-to-reach areas within the dryer vent system, ensuring thorough removal of lint and debris. This component is particularly useful for eliminating blockages that can restrict airflow and pose fire risks. Additionally, the lint remover included in the kit enables users to manually remove accumulated lint from the dryer vent, providing an extra layer of cleaning to enhance safety and efficiency. Regular lint removal is essential for maintaining optimal dryer performance and reducing energy consumption. The dryer vent vacuum hose serves as a crucial tool for suctioning away loosened lint and debris during the cleaning. Product 5: Product Name Viken 12-inch high-pressure rain shower head combo. The Viken 12-inch high-pressure rain shower head combo is designed to elevate your shower experience with its wide rainfall shower head and versatile features. With a sleek silver chrome finish, it adds a modern touch to any bathroom setting. Any of its standout features is its high-pressure capability, promising a refreshing and invigorating shower experience. The 12-inch size ensures ample coverage, enveloping you in a cascade of water for a luxurious bathing experience. What sets the shower head apart is its combination with an extension arm and 6 handheld water spray options. This versatility allows users to customize their shower experience according to their preferences, whether they desire a gentle rainfall or a targeted massage. The adjustable dual shower head further enhances flexibility, catering to different heights and preferences. Additionally, the shower head is equipped with anti-clog nozzles, ensuring consistent water flow and minimizing Product 6: Product Name Casas Smart Light Bulbs. Casas Smart Light Bulbs offer a convenient and modern solution for home lighting control. These bulbs are designed to be fully compatible with popular smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home, allowing users to seamlessly integrate them into their existing setups. With features like full color changing and dimmability, users can easily adjust the ambience of their space to suit any mood or occasion. The bulbs provide 800 lumens of brightness, ensuring ample illumination for various tasks and activities. One notable feature of Kasa's smart light bulbs is their Wi-Fi connectivity, operating on the 2.4 GHz band without the need for a hub, simplifying setup and reducing clutter in the home. This also means users can control their lights remotely through the Kasa app, offering flexibility and convenience, especially when away from home. The pack includes 4 bulbs, providing a comprehensive lighting solution for multiple rooms or areas within the home. With their multicolor capability, blend of functionality, versatility, and ease of use, making them an attractive choice for those looking to enhance their home lighting experience with smart product. 7 Product name Sujit Night Light. Sujit Night Light offers a convenient and practical solution for adding illumination to various spaces in your home. This product comes in a 4-pack, providing multiple lights for different rooms or areas. Designed to plug directly into a wall socket, these night lights are easy to install and require no additional wiring. One of the standout features of Sujit Night Light is its dusk-to-dawn sensor, which automatically detects ambient light levels and adjusts the brightness accordingly. This means that the night lights will activate in low light conditions and deactivate when the room becomes brighter, helping to conserve energy and prolong the lifespan of the LEDs. The warm white LED light emitted by these night lights creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making them ideal for use in kids' bedrooms, bathrooms, hallways, and other areas where gentle illumination is desired during the night. The soft glow provided by